Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today we're going to make a 3-color spiral. Decide where you want the center of your spiral to be and spiral it up. Once you have it all spiraled up, it's time to secure it. I prefer to secure my spirals by using rubber bands, but you could use kite string. I got these rubber bands off Amazon, and they're really awesome for securing the spirals. They're just really nice and stretchy, and they rinse off really well for reusing them. I have a link for them down below in the description box, along with everything else that I use for tie-dye, so go ahead and check them out. Using a washable marker, mark out your pattern. Since this is only a 3-color spiral, you're going to divide it into 3 pieces of pie, all intersecting in the center of the spiral. Now it's time for the fun part. We get to add the dye. So I used these 3 colors in an ice dye, and they're new to me, so I'm curious to see how they're going to react in a liquid form. So I've decided not to put them on the back, so this is going to have a white back. So when you're doing that, you want to try not to oversaturate. You want the dye to penetrate about halfway down the fold. Now with blues, they have a tendency to flow really well and creep. So I have a problem with being heavy-handed, and I'm trying to work on that. Once you get all the dye on, you want to cover it and batch it for 24 hours. All of my containers are in use right now, so I am batching some things in some plastic bags, but I do stick it inside of another tote and I put the lid on it, and it's really hot and sunny, so I have it sitting outside in the sunshine with the lid on. It's been 24 hours and now it's time for the rinse out. You want to start by using cold water to rinse away any soda ash that might still be reacting within the fibers, and gradually increase your water up to hot and rinse until the water runs pretty much clear. Since there's white in this, I'm going to be focusing a lot of attention on the white. I want it to stay white. From here, I take it to the washing machine and I do a hot water cycle. I do a second hot water cycle using Synthropol, which is now called Kirillon if you're trying to buy it. And I do have a link for that down below to help you find it. And then I do a third hot water cycle using Millsoft, and that brings softness back into the fabric after the dyeing process. Then I put it in the dryer and we'll come back and we'll see our results. Well, here it is, guys. Here's our shirt after it's been washed and dried. I think it turned out really nice. I definitely am liking this Mermaid's Dream. It's a really pretty color. It's like a teal green. So I did the ice dye, and I like it both in liquid and in ice. I see the value in both techniques. So what do you guys think of this shirt? Please leave me some comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up, and click the bell and set it to all for future uploads. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing.